Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place your design inside an animated mockup in Canva. Super easy and perfect for eye-catching presentations. First, create a new design. You can choose any dimensions you want. I'm going with 1920 by 1080 pixels. Next, go to Apps and search for Mockups. Open the Mockups app. You'll see a lot of mockups here, but I'm going to choose one of the animated mockups. Once you pick your mockup, upload your design, then drag and drop it into the mockup frame. You may need to wait a few seconds while it loads. After it appears, double-click the design to make any adjustments you want. When you're done, click Apply Changes, and that's it. Your design is now inside an animated mockup. Super easy and fast. If this tutorial helped, you don't forget to subscribe.